I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan soup. We'll start by building a strong flavor foundation. First, gather your aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery. Sauté them gently in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they become wonderfully soft, which usually takes 5 to 7 minutes. Then, pour in a good quality vegetable broth, making sure it's low in sodium so you can control the seasoning later. This simple beginning sets the stage for a truly satisfying meal. Now let's layer in some incredible flavors and textures. Incorporate your favorite herbs and spices, perhaps a bay leaf, a pinch of dried thyme, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika for depth. For a hearty and satisfying soup, add plant-based proteins like red lentils, chickpeas, or even diced firm tofu. Don't forget starchy vegetables such as potatoes or sweet potatoes. They will naturally thicken your soup and add a lovely creaminess. Achieving the perfect consistency is key for a great soup. You can naturally thicken your vegan soup by blending about 1/3 of it, or by stirring in a simple cornstarch slurry. For an extra layer of richness, consider adding a 1/4 cup of full-fat coconut milk or a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. Finally, taste and adjust your seasonings with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a bright squeeze of lemon juice to really make the flavors pop. Your delicious vegan soup is almost ready to enjoy. Before serving, add a beautiful garnish of fresh herbs like chopped parsley or cilantro for a vibrant touch. This soup is wonderful served immediately with a side of crusty bread or a fresh green salad for a complete and nourishing meal. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.